that my customers are complaining about is they think they've got a bad thermostat. That's not the case. Because, I don't know, man, younger generations getting into the field, somebody decided to reinvent the wheel. And so what happens is, somebody decided that if you run the AC fan and get air coming from the top, along with the furnace, hot air coming from the bottom, it's gonna mix it in and everybody's gonna be a lot warmer and more comfortable. That's not what happened. Everybody's pissed. So what you gotta do is just change the fan setting on your thermostat. So we'll turn it on, hit mode, fan. If it's in any other position besides auto, meaning if it's in high or if it's in low, then when you turn on the furnace, the air conditioner fan is going to come on along with the furnace. The air conditioner is not on, it's just the AC fan. So to stop that, make sure the fan position is in auto. Then when you go ahead and set it to your furnace setting, only the furnace will come on, not the air conditioner. So try that, leave a comment, let me know how it worked, and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching. So the video I just filmed, it's out here in Jojoba Hills, and my cameraman was no other than Don Cook. Right on, man. That's Don Cook over here at Jojoba Hills SKP Resort in, what is it? Owanga, right?
Owanga.
Yeah, in Owanga, California. Yeah. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and if you're ever out this way, man, this park is rad. The Fountain of Youth, Google it. Jojoba Hills SKP Park in Owanga, California. Right on. Thanks for watching.